All right, today I'm going to go over 5 insane use cases for Claude Cowork. So here's what we're going to cover today: computer use, projects, presentations, inbox triage, analytics, and an amazing bonus SEO use case as well. Claude Cowork is truly next level, and this is just the beginning of what it can do. This is light years above ChatGPT and Perplexity. You can work from your computer locally. You can work from files on your computer. You can organize everything. Amazing stuff. Let me dive in and show you these use cases and exactly how to do this stuff so you can start today and take your business to the next level. So the first one is computer use. You can use your phone, connect it to your computer to be able to fill out forms automatically, to be able to move data between apps, operate Canva, do anything that you need. No APIs are needed. Claude sees your screen and acts accordingly. So it's very cool. It's right here, the dispatch feature. You set this up, follow the instructions. I already have it set up, so there's nothing for me to do. But once you go to that screen, it'll give you a QR code to scan. You set it up with your phone. You have to download the Claude app on your phone as well. And then basically you can ask it to do things from your phone, and it will complete those tasks via dispatch. So a couple of things is to keep your computer awake. If you want to use this, you have to toggle this on, and then allow browser actions. Those are the key things. So make sure you have that stuff on, but then once you have that connected, then it can do stuff for you. The other thing to note is it's going to be working somewhat from connection. So depending on if you want to pull files from your computer or work from apps on your computer, you need to set up those connections. And I'm going to show you a little bit more of that later on. But here are some of the connections that you can set up. You can go in here, browse, connectors, and here's the different apps that you can connect here. If it's not showing and you want to connect it via API, you can also do that for most things, which is going to be really, really easy to do. So this is, you can have it go into your Gmail and ask it, who sent you an unread message. There's a lot of use cases. That's just kind of the tip of the iceberg for what you can do, but it makes things a lot easier because you don't have to do, log in via VPN or anything like that. So you can use it with your computer. That's number one. Number two, projects. So you can create projects and it saves everything in a project folder. So you can update it as you go. So you can do dev projects, client workspaces. You can use it for content creation, LinkedIn projects. So there's basically anything you can think of, you can set up a project for. So right here is the project. You can start a new project, start from scratch, import a project, use an existing folder. So this helps you organize projects. So this is really, really nice, really, really easy to use, and you can continue to update it. So for instance, if I wanted to do, a project for LinkedIn or a project for Facebook, I can upload all of my brand assets, my tone of voice, my brand colors, things that I want it to do, things that I don't want it to do, and then just work from that project. So once you have that project, you just go into it, update it, and work from it. Put as many assets in there, and you can keep refining it. So you don't have to kind of start from scratch. Even though Claude does a good job of remembering everything, there's memory, so it remembers all of your chats. It's nice to be able to have everything consolidated into one project. The other nice thing is if you're working with clients, you can create a project for each client. So this is a condensed space to work from where you're not like talking across different chats. It's going to remember everything in that specific project and just reference things in that specific project. So it's really, really good for organizing all of your stuff in one space. Very, very powerful. The next thing is presentations. So this allows you to define your brand style, paste your notes, and then Claude builds the presentations. Hey, look at this. This is exactly what I'm talking about. This is the presentation that Claude built for me. So I added all of my notes, all the things that I wanted to talk about, and had it create this amazing presentation with very little feedback. I just gave it everything that I wanted to build out for me, and it did all of that for me. So very, very next level. The next one is inbox triage, email on autopilot. So this is probably one of the cooler things that Claude has done. So basically, you can connect your Gmail as a connector, right? It's very, very easy to do. So if you go into Claude, and then you basically go into your customization, and then you go into your connectors. I already have Gmail connected, but you would just do a search for Gmail. It'll pop up, and then it'll just say connect. It'll authorize it and then connect it. It literally takes 30 seconds, if that, to connect your Gmail. But what I have it doing is analyzing all of my email, unread email in the last 24 hours, or you can just do all of your unread, however long you want it to do that, analyze it, and give me a morning brief. So I have it giving me a morning brief at 7 a.m. And it's prioritizing the emails. It's reading all of the emails and then prioritizing them by needing to take an action. It's needing important ones. So it's like needs to take action in red. And then it's like other important emails, and then not important, but hey, maybe it's something that I want to look at. And then it gives me a summary of all of that stuff. So that is really next level. So I don't even have to read in my email anymore. I get a morning brief sent to me every morning. I have it so you can also set it up. I have the morning brief delivered in Claude, but you can also have it set up to deliver you a text message in Telegram. So if you have Telegram, you can set up a new bot, and then it'll just tell once you're setting it up in Claude. So if you go, so how I have this set up, just to kind of give you an idea, is I have this set up as a project for the email. So you would just do a new project, start from scratch, and then you would just name it, email, whatever you want to call, whatever email, and you can do it for multiple emails. So you name it the email, and then basically you just give it a prompt. So you give it a prompt, hey, I want you to, you would connect your email, and then like, hey, I want you to give me a daily summary of all my unread emails for the last 24 hours. And then it will do that. And then you can say, hey, I want this delivered via a message to Telegram, and then it'll ask you to set up a new bot in Telegram, and it'll ask you for your authorization token code, and then you just give it that information. So the nice thing about Claude is it's very intuitive, and it's going to tell you everything that it needs from you in order to set this up, which is really, really nice. The other thing that you can do is you can do auto drafts. So any emails from clients or customers that need a response, you can have it auto draft the responses. Gmail does not let it auto reply, which is nice. It's a good safeguard. So it'll auto draft it, put it in your draft folder. You go and look at it later and be like, is this good? And this is where you kind of build out your brand, your voice. And if you have a project for this, you can dial it in and then create this as a task. And then you can do an afternoon sweep if you want. And then you can have it set up to review and approve. So really, really nice. So once you have this set up as a project, then you go into your task and you create a task, or you tell it, hey, I want this to create a task, and it'll put it in your task folder to run this whenever you want to run it. So I have mine running it in the morning at like 7 a.m. But again, this is all set up from your projects tab, and then it'll move it to the task tab once you have the Gmail set up as a connector. Very, very easy to do, very intuitive. Claude does it all for you. You just have to ask it to do it. Number 5 is analytics. So this is something you can run analytics on anything. So again, if you go into Claude and you look at your connectors, and you set up a connector, so whatever the case may be, you browse your connectors. So if there's any of these that you need analytics for, whether it's your Stripe or maybe it's like Wix or whatever, once it's connected, it can go into that app and then run an analytics report on it. You can do like a revenue report for Stripe, or a refund report. Whatever you need, whatever app you have, or you want to connect it via API, you can go in, pull that information, and then run an analytics report, so you know that information right away, really fast. You can build custom reports. So it's very huge time saver. It gives you a lot of insight very, very fast, which is really, really nice. And real quick, just to hit on the connectors again, here's how these are kind of organized for maximum power. So if you can do an MCP or an API connector, this is the strongest and the fastest because it pulls that information. It's connected on the back end to the app, so it can pull that information really, really fast. If you have desktop files, you can add that and work from desktop files. So that's really cool too. So when you're setting up, in Co-Work and you're setting up a new project, you can work from a specific file folder, or you can pull a file folder and have it analyze everything in that file. So that's really, really nice, and that can be really convenient to be able to find stuff, organize stuff, whatever you want to do. And then the third tier is computer use. So what I showed you at the beginning, basically logging in via Claude Code through your computer through the dispatch. And this is using your computer, it's using the browser. It can still go into your files and stuff, but it's going to be a little bit slower and not quite as fast because it's using more resources doing that. And like I said earlier, a bonus for you if you're interested in using this for SEO, because Claude has become really next level for SEO as far as research and as far as being able to publish stuff to an API. I use Arvo for this. So basically I have a prompt. If you write prompt below, I'll share this prompt with you, and you can set up Claude as a skill. This is another thing I didn't really talk about. You can set up specific skills inside Claude to run over and over and over again, and basically be able to enhance them and change them and tweak them. So I have Arvo connected as an API, which is the SEO blog writer, which allows you to connect all your brand assets. So I have the brain doing all the work as far as Claude, and then I have Arvo built for SEO, writing amazing content to increase traffic and ranking. So what this does, what the prompt does, is it goes and does a competitor scan using Claude, finds gap and keyword analysis, gives me a title and brief, and then basically through Arvo, it sends it to Arvo, creates the article, writes it in an amazing SEO formatted article with all the back-end SEO bells and whistles, and then auto publishes it to the site. So everything is done automated, fully automated to grow your traffic. So here's the prompt that I will give you if you want it. All you do is copy and paste this prompt inside of Claude. It'll create this and save this skill for you. And then basically once you have this prompt created, you can run this. It's going to do this full analysis on your competition and gaps in the market. Here's a website that we're doing this with that is working really, really well right now. You got organic traffic is up to 16K, and the AI citations are growing. And here's kind of the trend graph. We're doing this. We're publishing articles every single day using this strategy and this prompt. It's working extraordinarily well right now. So really, really cool stuff. So here, once we run the workflow in Claude and generate the articles, we are having Arvo create them. So here is Arvo. Here's one we did for landscaping. So you can do this kind of internally through Arvo if you want. So you can have Claude run the analysis and give you the keywords and the titles, and then go into Arvo and publish them this way. Or if you have the upgraded plan, you can use Arvo's API, and you can go in here, integrations, create integrations, grab the API, give it to Claude, and then it's going to push the article here, generate it, and then push it to your website, because you can set up an integration for your website as well. So 2 integrations, very, very easy to do. It takes you literally 30 seconds. But we had this run. I didn't want to have you wait because it does take a few minutes, but we had this run for a landscaping company for fertilization, and you can do batch articles. Like I've done like 20 articles at a time, which is really, really nice. So if I go in here and I pull this up, here is the article that it generated. Amazingly done article with all the SEO bells and whistles, and this is based on a gap in the market, based on an area of opportunity. I can go into it and you kind of see the bells and whistles, the meta description, H3s, H2s, alt text. So this is why doing it this way, it makes a lot more sense, because I could have amazing articles created in Claude, but then you have to push and format them and do all the back-end SEO, which is a lot of extra work. This, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to touch anything. Out of the box, this works amazingly well. So there is the article on Arvo, and then I have it pushed to a Wix website. So I can go in here and I didn't touch anything. It automatically created it and in Arvo and pushed it to the Wix website. So from Claude to the endpoint, to your website. Fully automated, and it's doing everything for you in the back end. So amazing stuff, working really, really well right now. So that is it. Those are what you can use Claude Cowork for, and this is just the start. This is just the beginning. This is super powerful, and this is much different than like ChatGPT because you can work from your computer. You can have files on your computer organized, do different projects, work from different files on your computer, and just keep everything organized. And then everything is local on your computer. If you need to access something, you can do it from your phone to Claude on your computer. So it just opens the world to opportunities. So hopefully that makes sense, guys. Let me know if you have any questions about any of that below. There is a link below if you want to check out Arvo. Amazing tool, just beginning to help grow your SEO, because most of your competition isn't doing this. I can assure you that. If you want the prompt, type prompt below. But I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys.